thankfully, Tata AIG came as a friend, as a guide, as a philosopher. And believe me or not, before admissions, my approval had come. Hi, I'm Dr. Madhavi Sheth. I'm a counseling psychologist. I've been practicing from last 25 plus years. I love to travel, very cheerful and a party kind of a person, and love my family also. Me, my husband and my son decided a few years back that health should be our priority, and that is why we took Tata Health Insurance. When I took that Tata Health Insurance, I was very, very positive that I will not be wanting to use it. But the problem came in before a few months when I started feeling the pain in my knees and I just could not walk. I never thought that these problems are going to come to me. Because I tried my level best. I did home remedies. I went to physio. I tried doing the exercises, but nothing worked. And with the detailed examination, it was told to me that I need total knee replacement bilateral. It came as a shock. Believe me or not. It is like financially, emotionally draining. It was morally also draining because, I would be affected very badly. But thanks to TATA AIG, who really took care of the entire process. It was into a cashless insurance, and that is why before I could enter into my hospital, it was totally taken care. I went in for my surgery with the total positive mindset, and believe me, even while releasing from the hospital, it was not a very difficult task. I came back home and I have taken enough of rest, and I am so positive about the post-treatment also has been taken care by Tata AIG, believe me or not. So, in a way, if you see, I am all set and I'm wishing and praying that I will be going back to my normalcy. I will be traveling very soon, and of course, I am back to my work. Thanks to Tata AIG, I have a total trust on the company. Damn sure that whoever wants to take the care of their health, Tata AIG is fantastic. Thank you.